All right, so what we're going to do is increases and decreases. We're going to find the rate or the base. So the first one, we're going to find the rate or the percent of increase or decrease, either way. During the month of May, a graphic artist made a profit of $1,525. In June, she made a profit of $1,708. What is the percent of increase in profit? So in order to calculate this, you have to take your new amount, which is the 1,708, so percent increase. So you have 1,708 minus 1,525, 1,525. And then at the end, after you subtract that, you're going to divide by the original amount, which is 1,525. Then at the end, you're going to multiply by 100 at the end. So now, when going through this, you get 183 divided by 1,525 times 100 still. Now, first you divide and then you multiply. So then you're left with 0.12 when you divide 183 by 1,525. You multiply that by 100. You're left with a percent of 12. So you have 12%. So this increase, so they made a 12% profit, the artist. So that's how you do the percent increase or percent. Now, the next one is to find the base or the starting amount of money. At a Best Buy, the price of a DVD player dropped by 20% to $179. What was the original price to the nearest dollar? So what we do is we take the reduced rate. So we're taking, it was dropped 20%. So that means from 100% it was dropped 20. So that means it is at 80% value now when you subtract that. So now what the best formula we can use for this is to find the base is the portion or the part of the price divided by the rate, or the rate is 80%. So when you take this portion, 179, you divide it by 80%. Okay? So once you do that, so you're really saying 179 divided by 0.8. So then you divide into it. We could do it right on the side over here. So 0.8 divided into 179. Make pretend this is a whole number. Make it 8. So then we can make this 1,790. Remember, you move once over, so you got to move once over here. So 8 goes into 17 as close as you can get it. That's 16. Subtract. You're left with 119. Bring down that 9. Then 8 goes into 19 as close as you can get it. Not 3 because that's too high. 2 will be better. So that's 16 again. Subtract. You're left with 3. Bring down the 0. Okay. So then 8 goes into 30. How close can you get? Not 4 because that's 32. So that's 3. 24. Okay. So once you do that, you're left with 6. Now, 6, add another 0 to it, says 60. Now, 8 goes into 60. 8 gives you 64, so it has to be 7. 56. So that's left with 4. Bring down one more 0. That's 40. 8 goes into 40 5 times. So then we're done. So now we want to make this to the nearest dollar. So this is $223.75. Is this closer to 223 or 224? It is actually closer to $224 because that 7 makes that 3 turn into a 4. So the base amount, a DVD player actually cost $224 in the beginning. So that's how you actually apply the increase and decrease to these word problems, and then also find the percent increase and also the base.